found joy that I cannot help but sing, for joy has nourished me, small and great. And without it I would be nothing, for I see well that everything else men do degrades, dishonors, and declines, except what love and joy sustain. The world is so divided that it is lost when the base act, but with the worthy worth advances. And love keeps company with the courtly, and from there come lovers charming and gay, which is why joy holds fast and does not quickly fall, for otherwise no one would maintain it. If the joy of love were not so fine, it would never have lasted so long, but there is not so much anger in it, for the harm becomes profit and the bad becomes good, and rest for whoever suffers most from it. Ask me how, I'll tell you, because afterward one hopes for mercy. He takes little from love who does not suffer the pride and the wrong and the harm and the damage, for so do those who have anything from it. It seems like war to me, not love at all, when the bad things are here and there, and I have no right to the fief. I hold it from the Lord, it comes, I see evil from it. Love speaks truth and mockery, and gives rest and great trouble, and a noble heart after bad desire. Today it does what pleases, tomorrow what weighs, and so what will you say, since it goes this way, that whatever it costs, everything turns to joy, for afterward there is nothing but good. I remember now a word that I said, and which one? I don't want anyone to ask me. We won't hear it then. Not this year. It won't be told to you, nor will you know what it is. I don't care, for I'll live just the same. Whether you live or die, this I know, it costs my lady nothing, nor me. No, you are wrong in our bond. I send greetings though she stays far away, and let her know that shortly I'll see her, if some very great affair does not hold